Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can schedule dark mode on Android phone from sunset to sunrise. Okay, let's get started. First thing first, we can open our settings application. And after we have our settings application opened, we can go to the display setting right here. And here, as you can see guys, that I'm using my light mode and I'm going to turn on my dark mode as scheduled. So we just need to click on dark mode settings. Okay, and here you can click on turn on as scheduled. Click on this option. Then if you want to schedule it from sunset to sunrise, you just need to click on this one, the sunset to sunrise. Or actually you can click on custom schedule right here. Then you can custom the schedule as you want. But here, since we want to schedule from sunset to sunrise, we can select the sunset to sunrise. Okay, and after that, when the sunset comes, the dark mode will be active automatically. Alright guys, and that's how we can schedule dark mode on Android phone from sunset to sunrise. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.